I want to tell about the malarial parasite, and I have discussed how to take the sample for malarial parasite. The best is thin and thick smears. Then, as regard the parasitology, there are four types of this Plasmodium type: Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium malariae, and the fifth type also some of the people they have added. Now, the vector for the malarial parasite is Anopheles. Then how it spreads? The spread is through the mosquito bite. It can also spread from the transfusion, malarial transfusions. Then if there is transfusion from the contaminated blood, and rarely it can spread from the congenital spread. Now before we go ahead, I can just tell you about the different types of the malarial parasite or the Plasmodium. You can see it is in the ring form. In the ring form, which is present in the red blood cell, it shows cytoplasmic ring, chromatin, and there is a vacuole. Immature schizon, trophozoite, macrogametocytes. Then the life cycle, it is in two types. One is the asexual cycle, which takes place in the red blood cell, and the sexual cycle is mainly in the mosquitoes. So I will keep on adding more to this topic. At this stage, I want to stop.